Hi, so I'm going to create a tutorial series of videos how to set up the ESP IDF development environment is because I bought this board. This is the board. So it has two inputs for the one for the USB charging, one is for the flashing. It has a speaker, mic, headphone jack, and an SD card, etc., etc. And I want to build a I want to turn this board into a AI communication device, so I can ask it a question. It will go to the server, get the answer, and play it back. So that's what I'm trying to build, right? So let's begin. Let's go to the library for this. So this board is called ESP Lyra T Mini, and which looks like this, right? Which is what I showed you. So now if we go to its and it has a library called Audio Development Framework. So we're gonna try to set up that, right? So application is a system on chip, most comprehensive, playback or record support audio formats such as these ones, play music from HTTP, integrate all this, video call, all that can be done. So that's what we're gonna do. The features will support as shown below. So it does Python things and others. So we're using the frame network. So it's built on top of IDF, right? So now developing with Azure IDF version, the following IDF versions are supported. Version IDF supports 4.3, 4.4, 5.0, 5.1. So we wanna make sure we use maximum. What does that mean? Maybe we just go with 4.3. What does the one means? I do not know. Okay, node 1, the built-in IDF branch of ESP ADF is IDF release 4.4 at the current time. So 2.4 ADF is with the IDF of 4.4. So we'll try to do that. Yeah. Okay, and then so what we do next after that? So these are the boards. So we see Lyra T Mini, so it supports that board. So version 2.4 is one, we're gonna go version 2.4, so we go with that. Okay, so these are the different example projects that ADF has, and we are interested in not speech recognition, but there should be a advanced example or DO display getting started player protocol speech recognition. Maybe let's look at an advanced example. It's not here, but there should be a recorder. So if I do ASP ADF Google Translate example is the one we're looking for. Right, so it's in the cloud services. So here it should have multi-room. Let's see if it has cloud services. Yes. So it has cloud services examples, and in this we were looking for Google Translate that will take the input from the mic and then go to Google Translate and translate an answer, and then later we'll modify that to add AI into it. Okay, so we're moving on, and then it says I need to set up the ADF first, right? So I go to IDF supported periods for details. We need to set up IDF, and this is the IDF support. Okay, IDF py when local SP version can be checked. So let's see. We will see to that. Git overflow, updating ESP IDF, updating to stable. So let's say getting started with easy. So getting started is just the version. Right, so let's do the VS Code extension of this. Yeah, so installation ESP prerequisites. Let's see what the prerequisites are. We need to install because we are on Mac, so we're gonna install Ninja DF utils, So I go here and I do this, and so that we can install this, right? Wait for that to install. What does it say after that? Then if you have Mac port, we don't have Mac port. Installing Python 3. Let's see, I think I have Python, but let me check. Python version, Python command not found. Actually I have Python 3. So I have Python 3, and then to make Python 3 point to the one normal Python, we need to see that. Also, if the output is like that, Python default output is Python. If so, also check if Python 3 is already, which we have. So we have Python 3, that is there, right? The command is an error, it means Python 3 is not installed. Below is the obvious to install Python 3. We already have installed Python 3, so we know to do that. So now ESP in IDF repository expressive provided by, so let's go here and make a directory called ESP, right? Then cd into ESP -l. It has already something in it. Let's get rid of that first. Control helm ESP. So let's rename it to old first. Okay, then cd this, then make directory, and then cd ESP ls-l. There is nothing in it, right? So we clean. Then we're gonna git clone this ESP IDF library. We're gonna clone that. It is good. How big is that? 2% of whatever that is. Okay, while it's doing that, we're moving on. Setup tools, ADF. Okay, this we have to come back, and then this all will happen. So this is the IDF, right? Now ADF. Okay, we need to see which version it supports and then put that version. Quick start. Version describing. You need one of these versions to release. One of audio boards below there, and headphones. The first exposure. Please getting started up and can use 32. Okay. Example. Okay, now I want the ESP ADF GitHub because we want to clone that as well. That may take a while. So we go here, and this is the ADF. So let's clone that too. So we go here. So ESP is this. So now I'll do git clone ADF as well. So we're cloning these two now. Invalid pack output. Why am I getting that? Git clone invalid packet. There could be a lot of different things or something else. If you're using VPN, disconnect from a restart router and computer, try a different network, try a different workspace from it, then try. So what I'll do is I'll restart this computer and then we will go on again.